What's up guys, it's Caleb with UTV Source, and these are the new Tango UTV tires from Valor Offroad. These things are made for hard pack trails and mixed street use, and they're Valor's new all-terrain powerhouses. They've got an 8-ply steel belted radial construction with Valor's H165A rated compound. That means these things have excellent tread wear and can last up to 4,000 miles or more. They've got a nice square crown profile, which gives you increased surface area and puncture resistance. They've got a deep 16mm tread depth, which means you've got grip for days. Right now they're available in 32s and 33-inch tires, but they've got 35s coming soon. Plus, you make sure you guys check out all of the Valor wheel and tire packages available at utvsource.com. These things are going to come pre-mounted with a set of lug nuts, which means they arrive ready to bolt on and enjoy on your next ride. And yeah, you can get them with the Tango UTV tires. Make sure you check out all of our wheel and tire packages at utvsource.com. And remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.